Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To crossplay on Xbox, follow these steps. First, ensure the game supports crossplay and you're signed into your Xbox account. Next, navigate to your Xbox settings, select Account, and go to Privacy and Online Safety. Choose Xbox Privacy to adjust your settings and ensure Communication and Multiplayer allows playing with people outside of Xbox Live. Then, if the game requires, add your friends from other platforms via their game-specific ID or through the game's friends list system. Finally, launch the game and invite your friends to join your game or party.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.